Hey guys, what's up? Bionic's back again with a double review. This time I am doing Hunt for the Decepticons Hailstorm. One fixing up right now. Oh, and Reveal the Shield Mindset. Basically, yeah, they're both the same mold, only one's an Autobot and one's a Decepticon. Hailstorm, however, everyone says that they like him better. Overall, everybody says that Hailstorm is the better version of the mold over Mindset. Now me, I kind of, not just because I want to be different, this is actually a complete and total honest opinion. I actually do think that one beats the other in one way, with each of them. And here's how. In vehicle mode, they both look nice. Don't get me wrong, they both look very cool. However, I like Mindset's vehicle mode a little better. Reasons why. Look at Hailstorm. He looks nice. Don't get me wrong. He looks nice. But the whole army, the white and black army style camouflage emblazed on his sides, killed it for me with him. And the missile pack up here, like if you look at it from the front, it looks cool with all the black surrounding all the red. Yet when you turn it to when you look at it, one part's black and green. Okay, it's like a color mash. So it's kind of like, don't get me wrong, this is a really good mold and I highly recommend picking any version of him up. It's just on Hailstorm, like, I don't mean to be picky, but I really wish that they would have made this black at least, or at least made the whole thing black like with him. And so yeah, again they got that, like everybody's been mentioning, they got that whole, with enough force, the more power you push into it, the farther it'll go. Yeah, those are old school style missiles, and yeah. With Mindset, they kind of differentiated him, like, not just with paint app wise, but you know, all around they made him look better in vehicle mode. Because, you know, like I said, nothing emblazed on the side. And they made sure that this missile shooter thingy up here, they made sure it was all black. And if you haven't noticed, that little reflection thingamajigger, that is his rub sign. Because he was released under the Reveal the Shield line. Holy crap, that was the first time I actually got it to work. Kinda can't see it, but yeah. Four minutes just on vehicle mode. So let's get them into robot mode. So I will pull him off and show it with him. Basically what you're going to do, you're going to lift these up and pop this whole piece up, extend the treads, and fold them up, and you can see that there's a kind of bit of a gap. this tab goes into this hole. Whoop. Once you get it lined up, push it together, and then just put his arm down. There you go. On the bottom, you're gonna flip his feet out. And then you're gonna pull, well, not yet. You're gonna come in here and you're gonna get his head up at least a little bit. And then you're gonna pull on his shoulders. And once you get it all the way down, you're gonna push down and it'll click it into place. And then you're gonna push his legs back, and then you're gonna click his waist into place. Whoa. And these missile racks, you can fold them down like that so that he at least stays stable, or you could flip them over the shoulders. I intend to keep them down. Anyways, a lot of people just leave his legs like that and not give him knee movement. I haven't seen this mentioned in any reviews of him. You pull on the leg until you at least see a tiny bit of gold in that little crevice, and it actually, not only does it give him knee movement, it makes his legs longer and actually makes him a little bit taller. He's still a bit on the shorty side, but you know, hey, squat and bulky was all because of bulkhead. So that's a style of robot modes that's in today. Now, if you'd like, you can fast forward through this part because I'm pretty much going to stay silent. Okay, there we go. There they both are. Now, in robot mode, I like Hailstorm a little better. All because Hailstorm, like, considering the fact that he's a Decepticon, this squat and bulky look, like, this menacing, he definitely looks menacing, so yeah, this mold works better with Hailstorm, and I love the way the head looks. He's in the game, by the way, the Revenge of the Fallen game. To whereas with Mindset, he gets a totally new head, to at least set some difference. And just the blue kind of kills the robot mode a little bit. But you know, all in all, they both are, like, just they're both the same mold. They will be in an extremely great addition to your collection. Like, I got a couple of new shelves recently, so I'm starting to fill that up. And yeah, if you only had to get one, okay, let's try it again. If you only had to get one, I really couldn't tell you which one to get over the other, because they're both really great, and I'm happy I got them both. And yeah, they're both, like, since they were both made out of the exact same mold, I am very happy with them both. Like, color-wise, I have a little bit of issues with both the vehicle and robot modes. But, them, as a mold all around, really great. I really do like these guys. And I'm really enjoying, like, of the two, I would have to, like, sadly, though, of the two, I kind of don't really have a specific opinion on who I like the best, because I think they're both. Because I think they're both tied. Like, as repaints of each other, they're both tied. I like them both just the way they are. Few minor issues, but all around, really, really cool figures. So if you want somebody to tell you which one to get over the other, get one over the other, don't watch this review, because I'm basically just going to tell you to get both, because they are both actually really cool figures. Again, they're on the shorty side. Here's Prime. Yeah, their heads come up to his knees. And yeah, nothing really much else can be said about these figures. And with him, celebration time, with the purchase of him, I completed the first wave of Reveal the Shield. Yay! I will create a playlist of all my Reveal the Shield reviews. That said, hope for the Decepticons Hailstorm, Reveal the Shield mindset. Signing out.